Have you ever trusted someone completely and then watched everything fall apart because of it? That moment, when you realize the person you believed in did not deserve your trust. That pain is not weakness. It is a lesson the world forgot to warn you about. Ali was a hardworking young man. He saved money for 3 years. Every morning he woke up early. Every evening he worked late. He had a dream, to open a small bakery. One day his close friend came to him with an idea. "Let us start a business together," his friend said. "I know the right people. I have a plan." Ali smiled. He believed every word. Without asking questions, without reading agreements, without thinking twice, Ali gave his friend all his savings. He trusted him completely. That was his mistake. Months passed. The business never started. His friend stopped answering calls. The money was gone. Ali sat alone in his small room. He felt foolish. He felt empty. He thought he had lost everything. One evening, an old man in his building saw Ali sitting outside with sad eyes. The old man sat beside him and said nothing for a while. Then he spoke softly. "I once lost everything to a man I called a brother," he said. "But losing everything taught me to build something that no one could take away." Ali looked up. The old man continued. "Blind trust is not love. It is laziness. Real trust is built slowly. It is tested before it is given." Those words stayed in Ali's mind all night. The next morning, Ali did something simple. He wrote down everything he had left, his skills, his time, and his will to try again. He started baking from his kitchen, small batches, simple bread. He sold it to neighbors. He saved again, slowly this time. He asked questions before making decisions. He read before he signed. He watched people's actions, not just their words. He built trust like a wall, one brick at a time. 2 years later, Ali opened his bakery. It was small, but it was his, built by his own hands, protected by his own wisdom. The lesson is this: trust is not something you give all at once. It is something you build carefully. People will show you who they are through their actions. Watch before you follow. Think before you give. Your dreams are precious. Protect them with wisdom, not just with hope. And if someone has already broken your trust, do not let that stop you. Let it teach you. Start again, but start smarter. You still have time. You still have strength. Begin today, not blindly, but with open eyes. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs it right now. Drop a comment below and tell us, has someone ever broken your trust? And if you want more stories like this, subscribe so you never miss one.